Looking for a face cream that delivers instant and long-lasting results? Introducing Calm and Cool Moisturizing Face Cream, an advanced formula that gives visible results from the first application. You can use it day or night. During the day, it offers lightweight hydration, perfect for layering under makeup. For nighttime use, simply apply another layer for deep overnight moisture. It leaves your skin with an instant luminous glow, a smooth texture, and deep hydration that lasts all day. This cream is packed with powerful ingredients like aloe vera and hyaluronic acid for intense moisture, while ceramides repair your skin barrier from environmental stressors. And here's the best part. Many creams skip ceramides because they're costly, but this one has a generous amount. It also contains tea tree oil, green tea, and vitamin E to deliver antioxidant protection throughout the day. Niacinamide brightens and balances your complexion, while peptides provide a firming anti-aging effect. Infused with calming rose essential oil, this cream is the ultimate soothing solution for your skin. The texture is creamy, lightweight, non-sticky, and fast-absorbing. It penetrates deeply into the skin, prepping your face perfectly for makeup. You'll notice that you'll use less makeup thanks to your clear, even skin tone. And for an extra boost, you can layer it on top of the snail serum for added hydration and glow. Try Calm and Cool face cream today for instant and long-term results.